Hi, welcome back to Ucanic. I'm Gabe. I have over 30 years experience as an ASC Master Certified Technician, and I want to share what I've learned with you. Today, we're going to look at the Ucanic automotive circuit tester available on our website. And we're going to look at the power probe, which is a professional level tool used to do diagnostics on electrical systems. So both of these tools will perform the same functions. Our Ucanic tool is 35 bucks on our website. This power probe is about 165. We're going to connect our power probe, which has about 14 or so feet of cable, and we're going to hook it up to our power source, and I'm going to show you what this does. Black to negative, red to positive. Immediately, a display lights up and a little white LED at the front. This tells me how much power my source has, and this very sharp tip will allow me to test the circuit, and it will display here positive or negative, red or green. And I can also use this switch to power a circuit with positive or negative current. And it will do that by using the power flow of the device through the connections that we've made at the battery. This tool is great for diagnosing bulbs, horns, small motors, lower current items that you want to test through the circuit and eliminate different components. Now, if you know you have power, but you're not sure if the switch is bad, you can power a component directly and bypass the controls, and that will tell you if the component is even any good. Now, the power probe is a professional level tool sold on the tool trucks, and we're going to connect this red to positive, black to negative. All right. And immediately we have LEDs in the front that light up to power this so we can see what we're probing. All right. Works the same way, although the display is a little different. It's blank right now, but negative is green, positive is red. I can use this to power up a circuit the same way that I can the Ucanic tool. And we can test it and see that there's red there, that's positive. There's green there, that's negative. In the same way that the Ucanic tool will show us red for positive and green for negative. The function of the tool is identical. I have used both, and I can tell you for the $35 plus shipping, I prefer this one. The tool is identical in any way that I can find. Now, compare that to a regular test light. The test light has its place. We're going to ground our test light, and we can test for positive here. But if I connect it to negative, I can't tell if it's grounded. I'd have to switch this in order to test to see if I have a ground there. So the test light has its place, but if you really want to get deep into diagnostics for electrical components and wiring, the circuit tester is the way to go. It's a great little tool, professional level results for the not so professional price. If you're trying to get some work done and save some money, definitely the way to go. Check us out, ucanic.com. Our YouTube page has a lot of great information, a lot of great how-to videos. Check us out at those two places. We're Ucanic. You can do it. We can help.